it's a temporary adjustment, same as theodolite. This is the spirit level, and using these two foot screws, the bubble is in its center of run and 90 degree. Come its center. Again repeat this process. Again repeat this process. Yes, it is almost its center. You can verify this thing by electronically. That is a new system is inbuilt system in this system, that is tilt. Tilt means its deviation from its vertical axis. You can see x axis and y axis. When you using this, you can see that is the picturized form of spirit level. So you can level this instrument with using tilt only. You need not rotate the instrument for level the instrument. You can correctly that is second differences is there. This I am not touching the table or the instrument, but the second angle difference is changing. Second is changing because it is the power of wind, a small wind, because 1 second differences is already having here. It is very correct. And one thing that is very important, if the instrument is in a slightly deviated from its vertical position, that means the spirit level is out of its center, then you can watch the black dot is just touching the inner circle. You can see this thing. You can see in this position the bubble is completely out of its run. The bubble is right side of the spirit level. That means this much of deviation from its vertical axis. But if you taken a reading with this instrument, the answer is completely correct, exactly correct, because automatic tilt compensator, the system named automatic tilt compensator, that is a calculation devices, is correct your answer itself. So if you work with a critical condition, sometimes the level the instrument is difficult. So such cases you can use this method. The result is correct. In this condition, we make sure the bubble not touch the inner circle, and this is the exact position. Then that is the ordinary condition. This is the advantage of the tilt compensator.